How do I highlight my document? Begin by clicking on the highlighter tool on the left-hand menu. You'll have a tool palette appear on the screen. The tools from left to right are as follows: an arrow, which is called the pointer, color choices of yellow, blue, green, and red, a menu, and an X. Let's look at each of these. You can highlight your document in two ways. One way is to select your color, and then highlight using that color. The other way is to use the pointer. With the pointer, you will highlight a section of the text, and you will have your color choices appear. Select your color. Let's highlight the first sentence with blue, by selecting blue from our color choices, and then highlighting the sentence. Now, let's select the pointer tool, and highlight the information in number 1. We will select yellow from the pop-up color choices for this highlight. The menu has several choices. From the top of the menu to the bottom of the menu, the choices are Collect Highlights, Clear Page Highlights, Clear Document Highlights, and Show Highlight Borders. When you select Collect Highlights from the menu, a pop-up box will appear. The pop-up box has choices that you need to make. These choices include collecting the entire document or the page only, sorting by color or by position, showing or not showing the color indicators which are shown on the right-hand side of the pop-up box, and showing or not showing the borders. You can also check or uncheck specific colors that you want or don't want to be included in the collection. Click Collect. A new text document will be created with the highlights and borders if selected, which include the page number as well as the color and border. You may add information to this page. We suggest that you either put quotes around the highlighted material, or use italics to separate the quoted material from your notes. The next two choices are in regards to how to clear the highlights from your document. Highlights are automatically saved to the cookies on your computer, and are unique to you and only seen by you. If you clear your cookies and cache, then the highlights will be removed. You can also clear a single page of highlights by clicking on the menu, clicking on Clear Page Highlights, and confirm the process by clicking on Yes, clear them, on the pop-up box that appears on the page. If you wish to clear the highlights from the entire document, then select from the menu, Clear Document Highlights. You'll need to confirm the process by clicking on Yes, clear them, in the pop-up box that appears on your screen. Our last item on the menu is Show Document Border. Each color is given a different styled border, so that a colorblind student can distinguish between the various color choices. An underline border is used for yellow, a dashed border is used for blue, a dotted border is used for green, and a solid border is used for red. When you collect your highlights, you can also select to collect the borders. The X closes the palette. If you hover on the right edge of the highlighter tool located in the left-hand menu, you will have two arrow points that are pointing to the right. If you click on the arrow points, you will have two choices, Show Highlights and Hide Highlights. If you click on Show Highlights, then all highlights are visible in the document. If you click on Hide Highlights, then all document highlights are hidden. We have a couple of suggestions about how to use the highlighter tool. If you are preparing to write a paper, then select 3 colors, 1 color for the start, or thesis area of the paper, 1 color for the middle or support of your paper, and 1 color for the last part or conclusion of your paper. Highlight and collect your colors, you have them sorted to start writing your paper. A second suggestion for using the highlighter tool is for presenting material to your classmates. If you are presenting an article, you may want to highlight important aspects of the article, and then click on Hide Highlights. Next, as a way of engaging your classmates, near the end of the presentation, begin asking them questions about their takeaways. Once your classmates have expressed their takeaways from the presentation, click on Show Highlights. This process allows students to make sure that they are picking up the main points in the article or presentation. Now that you know how to use the highlighter tools, you're ready to begin using them.